Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you Nigeria breakfast. That is boiled yam egg sauce. So guys can see the boiled yam on the fire. I have 3 pieces that I'm boiling. Cut your yam, wash it proper and put it in the fire with small salt. So I will allow it to done. Here I'm making Nigeria egg sauce. So going with boiled yam. This is what Nigeria eats in the morning. They don't care for tea or bread. So, see, inside the egg sauce, I have fresh tomato, I have onion, vegetable oil, fresh pepper, and stock cube or seasoning. So, you fry all of them together and use your egg. I use 2 pieces of egg to make the Nigeria egg sauce. Going with boiled yam. This is Nigeria breakfast. So what they eat in the morning. So they take it in the morning. They didn't bother to drink tea or coffee or bread. They didn't want it like that. They want solid food to hold their stomach so that they can walk very well. So keep watching. So guys, it's done. I'll off the light. Bring this one too is set. Let me dish it in the plate. Wow, so guys can see this Nigeria breakfast is set now to eat. So when you eat this one, drink water. Don't take it with tea or anything. You can see very yummy. So this Nigeria breakfast. It's a very short video. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, share it to a loved one. And if you want to receive my video every time, you press the bell and always see my video. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.